Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am a class and today we will be doing the teaser of IRA Aspiration by IRA Developers, which is located off Kollur Road, Hyderabad. But before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project, and as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project. So this is going to be one of your sales office and your other one is a few minutes away from here, and this entire location is going to be your land parcel. Now, let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. Now in the video, we will be discussing below points like project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and a lot more. So let's get this video started. So the first one is the project overview. So this is constructed on 8 acres of land parcel featuring 5 towers with 2 basement, ground and 9 floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. Now coming over to the location part, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located off Kollur Road, Kollur, Hyderabad. And this is going to be your entire connectivity. So from that side of the area, you can easily get connected to all your IT hubs. Now, coming over to your connectivity part, the Nehru Outer Ring Road is just 2 kilometers away from here. There is Narayana Junior College, which is 5.9 kilometers away, and Lingampally Railway Station just 11.3 kilometers away. Now let's have a look at the amenities part. So the project is going to come with modern, luxurious amenities, which includes a grand clubhouse. There's going to be swimming pool, gymnasium, and a lot more. Now coming over to the super built up area, over here you have 2 and 3 BHK. So 2 BHK is 1295 square feet and 3 BHK is 1595 to 2195 square feet. Now coming over to the booking process, let's discuss the booking process. So as of now, the project booking windows are open and the clients are invited to the site where the sales team will explain the complete project details, will share the pricing and the payment schemes. You will also be taken at the sample flat apartment, and if the client likes the project, they can proceed for booking by paying a certain token amount. So everyone, that was the teaser of IRA Aspiration by IRA Developers located in Kollur, Hyderabad. Lastly, for more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.